All right, welcome back, everyone. You know, Ken, we've been talking about the temperatures today. Wasn't a bad day.
No.
Are we going to see a cool down before that rain tomorrow? What are you thinking?
It may be a couple degrees cooler, but that's simply because of more cloud cover, more rain. But it's going to be more humid. I mean, nothing like what we saw for today. Today was comfortable, especially once you were in the shaded areas and once the sun angle got a little bit lower into the afternoon. Not going to be the case tomorrow.
It's getting out of here.
Shoot right back up. It's going to get more humid, but that will lead to some increased rain chances, which honestly we could use. We're getting close to about 4 inches below average in the rainfall department for the year. But tonight's quiet, and we're going to have several rounds of storms tomorrow. There will be dry times. It's not raining all day. I want to point that out. But we're going to be weather aware because some of the storms could be on the stronger side. And then much of next week, especially the second half of next week, looks very unsettled. I'll talk about what that means. Currently, we're 72 in Knoxville, it's 68 in Crossville and Oneida, 66 Jamestown and Wartburg, and 66 currently in the Gatlinburg area. And any time, especially in the 11 o'clock hour in June, and you're seeing the sweat cast with the blues, the greens, the dry to comfortable, that's pretty unusual. So we're going to take that. That means temperatures will continue to fall off. 50s and 60s for most areas by daybreak, including 55 in Middlesboro, 54 in Jonesville, 62 in Knoxville, and 62 in Kingston. But we'll see some clouds developing towards tomorrow morning. And that will be the start for our rain chances going up as more moisture is coming back in. We're in the sticky category on the sweat cast tomorrow. Doesn't last long though, especially Monday afternoon through Tuesday. We get another reprieve, kind of a cool morning, if you will, as we get into Tuesday with mid 50s, but then it goes right back up to higher humidity for the second half of next week. So this is 7 a.m., cloudy, showing a few sprinkles or showers, even possible then. I'd say mid-morning to mid-afternoon is round one, and that was lunchtime. That batch is sliding east. Then the afternoons are the ones we'll have to watch a little more carefully. These are the ones that could pack more of a punch, could have some isolated damaging wind gusts. That's 4 o'clock through the 7 o'clock hour, and then later into the night as well, some lingering showers and storms until this whole boundary pushes through the area. We're at a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe storms for most of our area, with a greater risk, level 2 out of 5, back across the plateau into Middle Tennessee. I wouldn't be surprised if that level 2 comes a little further east from the Storms Prediction Center for tomorrow. Simply something we'll watch, because I think our risk for some heavier rain, wind damage, a little bit higher. Not really a tornado threat with this, and the hail threat would be low in the sense the smaller size hail if we see any. Not expecting to see a large hail with this. Just make sure you have multiple ways to get alerts in case any are issued. I don't want you to cancel outdoor plans, but I want you to keep an eye to the sky and make sure you have even our weather app downloaded across the area. Another thing that we could be seeing some locally heavy rainfall. Notice it's a slightly enhanced risk for some locally heavy rainfall, again, which is good. We need the rain, but we just don't want it all in a short amount of time because that could lead to some isolated flooding as dry as the ground is. So later Sunday into Sunday night, some heavy rain possible. We're drying out Monday. Tuesday looks great for outdoor plans. Second half of next week, Wednesday, Thursday, again, looking a little bit more unsettled again.
All right, Ken.